Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible? I can see Nafisa has joined us after 1 month. Nafisa, you need to click on the speaker button and add it to call on device. Otherwise, it will not connect. Most of my students are missing. So I know they haven't even done the work. Okay, let me share screen. Okay. I thought if there are new students also here, Abhishek, Nafisa is here, Sarah is here. So I will redo what I taught last time and with examples of fashion design and then like fashion accessories, and then I will check your work or see it. Abhishek, Sarah, Sangini, can you hear me?
Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Nafisa, are we audible now to you? Nafisa,
Hello.
yes or no?
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Yeah, ma'am. I feel the yeah,
Where
now it's
were,
good.
where were you from last 1 month? Enjoying Kerala?
No, ma'am.
Then what were you
I
doing?
don't get network here properly.
Then today after scolding, how did network came suddenly?
I don't know. I think I'm using a little bit data, ma'am. I don't have so much data.
Yeah, so recharge your phone. Ask your dad. He recharges for you for Instagram and all also, right? Recharge for classes.
Oh, please.
Okay. Okay, everyone here, Abhishek, I think it's your network if you're not hearing clearly, because rest for everyone, it's working. Okay, so I'll just share my screen and let's go to the things again. Uh, what we were doing is product design based on a design process where you define a problem, you take a inspiration, you brainstorm, and then you try to improve a product. So what I basically wanted you all to do was to take a fashion accessory product and try to create or redesign a new one. Last session, if you saw, few of the students took lifestyle products. So this time I wanted you to take fashion accessories. For example, this bag, how do you change it? For example, if you are making a ring, then how would your ring look like? What will be the stone in it? How will you sketch it, represent it? If it's a belt you are changing, what is the new thing you are adding in a belt? If it's a shoe, how is your shoe looking? What's the feel of it? What's the inspiration for it? What is it required for? What is the client for it? If you are making a ring inspired from Egyptian or tribal colors, how does it look? If you're making a futuristic shoe, if you're making pendants, anything related to, fashion accessories is what we were doing. And these are few examples that I could take off the internet so that you understand that this is the way we were looking into things. Now, let me just go to the work of our students, so I can just give the feedback of whoever who has done. uh, okay, I'll just share the screen again. Karen, Karen, are you here?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Can you explain me your product?
Yes, I actually didn't finish it, but I sent you my brainstorming this one.
Okay.
So I wanted to do a ring with a ruler attached. Uh, I was inspired by this one fashion designer who got a tattoo of a ruler on the side of her finger so that she could quickly and easily measure small measurements like centimeters and inches.
Oh.
So I designed a ring like that with a pull out ruler.
Hmm.
So you can see there's a silver bar kind of thing with a chain attaching a small pearl to it. and if you pull out that, tug on that pearl, you can pull out the ruler,
Okay.
and it pulls back in through the same mechanism that if you might have seen these novelty pens with these like pull out messages, where if you pull it out and then when you leave it, it goes back in. It
Yeah.
uses that same mechanism. It's very slim. It's just because of the material, the uh, scale automatically pulls back in.
Okay. And who is it for? Who's the client?
The client is mainly, I'm looking at people who need to take quick and small measurements, like people working in tailoring or fashion design or carpentry who need to make quick estimates
Okay. Good.
of.
According to that, it's fine. It still looks like a lifestyle product rather than an accessory. Are you
Okay,
trying
yes.
to understand me? Like what the first exercise that maybe I was unable to explain it, but the first exercise I gave was for these kind of products, which are basically lifestyle. And second, I wanted it to be completely based on accessory and fashion oriented, where it's
Okay, I
beautified or,
thought
but it's fine.
because
The
you said,
concept is fine. Everything is good according to your client and your thought. It's completely good. There's no issue with
yes,
it.
ma'am.
Try to do more
Thank
of,
you, ma'am. I think I misunderstood the question because I
yeah,
thought
yeah,
it
yeah.
had to have some extra functional purpose. So
Yeah. Just try to do one earring or something which is a totally design oriented or beautification or aesthetic one also. Okay?
yes, ma'am.
Oh, good. Sarah. Sarah,
Yes, ma'am.
can you explain your, I think it's a cupboard or it's a table?
It's actually both. You can use it as a dressing table as well as a study.
Okay.
Yeah. So basically, it's like these days you need to like save space a lot because what do you say? Living spaces are getting expensive. So I sort of designed this keeping in mind that like there are people who live in small apartments.
Hmm.
Yeah. So I also kept made this eco-friendly. I mentioned that I mentioned rubber wood and bamboo there.
Okay. When you have written
Yeah,
sliding storage space and becomes rods and drawers, it's all convertible and portable, right?
yeah,
Yeah, okay. As a lifestyle product, it's good. I would still like to see. I can see there's a lamp also on the top. As your first exercise, you did it. It's completely fine. Try to innovate on smaller products.
okay,
Okay, so that it doesn't have to be like still similar, like how they normally are. Try to redesign it add a different kind of function. Maybe change the look of the dressing table completely. And where's the mirror? The mirror is on the top. Okay.
yeah. There's a sliding door there, so that like when you pull out the stand and use it as a table, the mirror doesn't get scratches on it or.
Okay. Yeah. Now I understand. Okay, good. Overall, good concept. Try to do the accessory one also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yashaswini, are you here?
Yes, ma'am. I'm here.
Yesterday you were not there, right?
No, yesterday I had network issues, but today,
Okay, explain your model and try to take neater pictures, Yashaswini, and add color and all so that it looks good on the screen.
okay. So I made a bed. So the first thing is it's like foldable, so it will help in saving space. The bed also has drawers, so again you can use the available space efficiently. Uh, the bed also has like rails or like plank to prevent children from falling off the bed or something.
Okay, Yashaswini, I have seen this bed, but where is the redesign in it?
Okay.
Okay, so this bed is
But
like a normal bed, like it has drawers, it gets folded back to the wall. There are beds like this. Try to redesign a bed Like find out the problems of your own bed and then try to recreate or redesign it. Okay.
Okay.
It's difficult to move a bed, to lift up a bed, to put things below, or to move it from one place to another. So try to make it that kind of light, or maybe it's made from some different fiber, like Sarah was using bamboo and these kind of things which are eco-friendly. Try to add an extra element to it. Okay, maybe change the shape of drawers. Maybe it can be moved and make it into a trampoline. Like, I don't know, try to fit in ideas in it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
This is very basic right now, and you need to research a lot, Yashaswini, on what kinds of beds are there. How are kids' bed? How are couple beds, single beds, double beds? How are bunker beds? And then try to innovate on one thing that is a problem that you find. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shreya. Shreya, you need to tell
Hello,
me.
yeah, I'm here.
Yes, so you need to speak.
I just designed a ear cuff.
Ear cuff. And what is the inspiration, and why the autumn leaves? Why the golden color? I need reasons.
I started thinking about the texture class, so I started with leaves.
Okay.
So I started with the earring and then I went to the ear cuff. So
Okay, so that process I need to see. This is the final sketch. Where is the process? When did ear cuffs start? Why do we wear ear cuffs before, just wearing a normal one? Like, why?
because it doesn't need piercings, right?
Yes, yes. So you need to start explaining like this. I have made a ear cuffs for people who don't have ear piercings or have ear piercings. Both can wear it. It's inspired from autumn or whatever. I've taken texture in mind. Start explaining like these and start writing these things down. Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
aesthetic wise and the look wise, product looks good. Like crystal, rich gold, rose gold. You want to add those kind of things? It's completely fine. But try to add your brainstorming and theory.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Radhika. Yes, Radhika, are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you explain me your product, because detailing and everything is really good.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, here I transformed a lipstick and added a mini perfume at the back, and
Okay.
also a wet rolling tissue inside the cover. The purpose of making this is, after a long journey, if someone is not having a sufficient time to freshen up, or they have to go to somewhere in a public place, in that situation, this product can be used. For me, wet tissue for wiping off the dust, and a perfume and a lipstick is enough to get ready, and that's the reason I attributed all these in one.
Okay, can you explain me this part again, like this one, mechanism? Okay, from here the tissue comes out and the back side is the spray bottle, right? Radhika, can you hear me? Radhika, are you here with us?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes,
Radhika, overall your product is very good. You have well thought of it. Guys, please look at this. You need to make the original product. You need to show the transformation. You need to show the mechanism of the product. You need to make a final picture of the product. This is how you do this kind of exercise. So try to keep these 3-4 pages intact. And Radhika, good work. As a first, like, I know it's your first, second, 3-4 classes, and this kind of improvement is really good work. Next is Anushka, are you here?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, please explain.
Ma'am, I made a earrings with which is a bronze, and I used a
ears new for the girls who didn't have a piercing.
Okay. Okay. And this is for what? Everyone, all types of girls who don't have piercing, or it is for specific occasion, or it's for someone who will go to a party or someone who will go to office. For who is it for?
So, ma'am, for the party.
Okay, so try to mention all these things, okay, and try to make 2-3 views of this. Mark, make the size of it, how big is it, on the ear, make 3-4 sketches, okay,
Okay, ma'am.
and try to make similar pendant, try to make a bracelet, try to see at the hook and the function of it, and then it will become better, okay. Okay, anyone else who hasn't done Sangini? I asked you to do something personally. Did you do it?
You had asked me to get some problems of any of the fashion objects.
Yes.
I collected a few problems about the lady's handbag.
Okay.
Sometimes the shape matters, like not very convenient, and when we put many things, it gets heavy. And
Okay.
the economic bags are prone to get torn at their handles or on the material side, and
Yes.
the ones with the better quality tend to be expensive, so they are not economic to everyone.
Yes.
Then they're not safe as when they are stolen, because ladies traveling on two-wheelers or like that, when their purses get stolen, so they tend to be in a problem.
Yeah. These are the problems. So, Sangini, what can you work more on it and tell me solutions for this as well?
Okay.
Okay, so
I
now
need a
that you have
day's
identified the problem, so everyone who is new, this is how you need to do this exercise. You try to write the problems of it. After you have derived the problems in the product, you try to derive its solutions. Okay, so now Sangini, what you have to do, you pick one problem, suppose like it wears off, it tears off, and you try to define, maybe change the material, or how can you solve it. So try to write the solutions of the problems, and then we'll pick 2 to 3 things and we'll add it as a redesign to a product. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Who else didn't show me?
Mm,
Sarah.
Ma'am, I did two things.
Okay.
So I'll try showing 1 second.
Okay.
So I wrote the problems about a shoe, heels, where normally everyone gets the problems of the shoe bite, and while walking, mainly everyone, it gets stuck, and then it's not suitable for everyday use, and it's not very good for harsh weather conditions. So those are the problems I thought about heels. And I thought another thing called the ear cap. I just named some random name. So I thought of making this kind of flexible, transparent cap which can be fitted onto the ear, so that people can wear earrings without having a pierce, without being pierced.
Good.
So
this one is really good. This one is like new, innovative. This is the first time I'm hearing about it. Good. And it's made from silicone. You have mentioned that also. Good.
Yeah.
Even the first one that you have recognized the problem, it's really good, guys. If you're looking at this is how you do brainstorming, and how well you have described it, and this is how you do it. Good work, Sarah. Try to create a new product for the heel also, like you have done for the earring. Okay.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Good, but amazing work. If this is I know this is your second class, and it's good that you have started understanding and brainstorming and doing the research. Good work.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Saida? Saida, can you hear me? Again, missing. Binita, can you hear me? Binita, Saida, both of you, you need to unmute yourself and talk if you can hear me. Okay. Indraja, did you do anything? Can you show me?
Yes, I'll show you.
Okay.
It's a handbag. This is the like I've written the problems here.
Okay.
So it can be easily robbed and it's unorganized and it's not eco-friendly because it's made out of like animal skin.
Okay.
Leather is made out of skin.
Okay.
So, and this is my brainstorming part.
Okay.
This is the back side of the a handbag
Okay.
where there's a part where there's a compartment where a small compartment where there's a zip attached to it,
Okay.
and then there's a keychain type of a thing
Okay.
where I researched about GPS tracker and I found out that one such GPS tracker has a sticker, it's a sticker type, so it can be stuck anywhere.
Okay.
So it can be stuck on the zip so that nobody can notice it.
Okay, so your solution is a GPS tracker when the
Yeah.
bag gets robbed. Okay.
Yeah.
And
then there's this like for the zip, the main zip has a like which covers the zip, so that cover has like a small piping where you can store something, like since the bags are like unorganized, so maybe you need a pepper spray
Okay.
for emergency.
Okay,
And
Indrija
then
first. Yes, tell me, complete.
yeah, so this can the pepper spray can be stored here, and then this is works like two ways, so as a zip and as a pepper spray opener. When you pull out the thing, the ring here,
Okay.
when you pull it out, the pepper spray comes.
Okay. Indraja, I completely understand the concept, but you need to depict it properly. Try to make a bigger bag. Okay? Make a top view, make a side view, show the zoom in of the details. You're making really small things.
Yeah, I've made a back view, front view, and the top view.
Yeah, I'm saying they're all very small. It's like A6. In an A4 sheet, they are A6, right? Try to make bigger things and show the function. I know here you are fairing up things and you need to make, I can see a white page only. I don't see anything, whatever you are showing. Yes.
We're talking.
Yes. So this thing that you have made, it looks like a bag. You need to add other things by showing it, right? So make a bigger picture of the bag, make a zoom in picture of only the zip, make a zoom in picture of only the tracker.
Okay.
Okay, add these kind of details, rest is it's fine.
Okay.
Kavya, what is happening? I think past 3 to 4 days or like 1 week I didn't see you in these classes. Kavya, she was here and she left.
Hello. No, I'm here.
Yeah, tell
No,
me what's happening.
I've missed only yesterday's class, but I haven't done the previous 2 assignments.
Yeah, so when are you planning to do it? Because tomorrow I'll move on to another topic and then this will be left behind.
I have very like rough sketches. I'll submit it. I'm just working on my portfolio right now. It'll be done by this week.
Okay,
so I'm
but
like editing
portfolio is
7-8
for next,
hours.
Kavya,
So
portfolio is
no,
for
I
next
told you
year.
I have to submit my diploma,
Okay.
the thing I had done.
Okay.
So I've been editing like 8 hours, 9 hours. So I want to finish it by this Sunday, and then after that I'll have full attention here.
Okay, but I hope these exercises are just half an hour, 20 minutes exercises. It wouldn't take you much time. Try to take out time on Friday or Monday when you have a leave or a test day so that you can work on it. But please do. Pranav, I didn't see any work. Pranav,
Yes, ma'am.
I didn't see any work.
Yes, ma'am. I'll submit it.
Even yesterday one was incomplete. So please submit it on the group, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, guys, so I'm again sharing the pictures so that you can just see how we need to do it. See, I'm showing you a few work of students. This is a furniture that Joel made by refolding and all. You need to write the brief, you need to write the problems, you need to write what you are improving, and then make a final sketch like Radhika did, like Karen has done, a lot of you all have done. Try to show the details, what you are changing, how you are changing it, and then we'll move tomorrow. I'll have a class on logos. So try to do these kind of arrows, write things up, be it earring, be it necklace, show the detailing of the things. See this kind of heels, how he has done it, this kind of iron. So try to work like this, have a reason for why you are changing, what you are changing. If you are adding an eco-friendly thing to it, if you are solving some problem, if you are innovating or making a completely new thing, try to gather pictures, images, see a lot of like go to research, read a lot of articles, see a lot of work of new designers, upcoming designers, old designers that are there. Watch a lot of movies on National Geographic and Factory Made to see how things were made. And please work on this. If you have any doubts regarding, like, ma'am, is this the correct direction I'm going into, or if this is the correct product I need to take, please message me anytime on my personal number or on the group, and I'll address it. Like, I was talking to Sangini also in the night. I have to speak to Anushka also sometimes. So try to please submit your work to me so that I can review it, check it, give you feedback, and you can improve. And please work on the fashion accessory one, finalizing it in one A4 sheet and one lifestyle product one. So 2 A4 sheets which are final. Okay, and don't worry about sketching skills if you don't have it right now. Just try to write if you can't draw it, so that we can look into it. And from tomorrow I'll have a class on logo. So please be present. It will mostly be a theory class, so please be present. 7 p.m. today. I have shared the link on the group, and I'll share it personally to students I know. That 7 p.m. we have an expert class by Mr. Anand sir on quantitative aptitude. So please attend that. So today you have 2 sessions. So please attend that one as well. Okay, guys? Yes, no, anyone has a doubt?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, Anushka.
ma'am, I made a lifestyle product which is incomplete. Can I show you?
Now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, show me, no problem.
Ma'am, I made a study table.
Okay.
The problem with normal, this study table is only for mainly for the teenagers facing with stress during studies, and students who take the mobile phone for studying but get distracted and forget the timetable. So I used to make an aquarium there, and I added the screen and tab like screen from which, because of aquarium, the student get stressed. मतलब students को जल्दी से stress हो जाता है पढ़ाई की वजह से. तो एक्वेरियम की वजह से एक मतलब उनको जो स्ट्रेस, उनका स्ट्रेस लेवल कम हो सकता है और वो फ्री फील कर सकते हैं. और आई शो द स्क्रीन विच इज इनकम्प्लीट. तो इससे हाँ मतलब स्टूडेंट को किसी चीज की मीनिंग सर्च करनी है या फिर कुछ करना है तो इससे कर सकते हैं.
Okay. Good. The concept that you are making study table for releasing stress or reducing stress in teenagers and all is a very good concept. Work on things like how can you use different colors to reduce stress, or how can they search things, or the table is so interactive कि जब भी उनको stress हो रहा हो या they are disturbed, the table helps them to be happy. So try to find these kind of things. Okay, but the concept is good.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, guys, so I'll be ending the session here. Krishna sir, do you want to speak to anyone? I think.
1 second, ma'am. Next week we will evaluate and we'll see the number of the classes which is required, and we need your feedback also. So I have not yet decided your date and time when we'll discuss about it. First, I want to start all classes in session. So I see most of you may not able to pick up 5 days class, or maybe we are going very fast as per the subject in design. So we may reduce number also. I'll share you one mail also. So there you can write your all review regarding everything. So
Yeah.
we'll do it this next week. By the time you have a classes, and just try to pick up what speed we have, because I thought it's fine, like, to have a 5 days class, 5 hours only
Yeah,
for
but
drawing,
the
because
strength is half today, like 7, 8.
yeah, so I see half of you have not present. There are a lot of things, so we'll work on it. But I'm really happy with few of the improvement. Even a few people just started from 2 days, 5 days, like Anushka or Radhika. They have, like, when Karen is also doing quite good. But these days, I think Karen also stopped working. Or what happened? Earlier, you were doing a lot of research, and I've seen your work. Hmm?
I'm
What
doing
happened,
research
Karen?
now also, sir. In the middle, I had some like family problems, but now everything is
Yeah.
settled.
I will keep some gap rotation class and all. I thought, like, 5 days class, 1 day test. But yeah, keep some class gap is like, I'm planning for drawing is maybe the topic will take bit slowly. We will move towards more, aptitude classes, which we will have in later evening or sometime, so that most of you can join. And as if you have these drawings having their own value, technical drawing having their own value. We have different faculty, different way to teach for all subjects. So you should take it forward. You should make it strong, because we see based on this only we have this year 100% results. If we want a very good result, we have to give the time. And I see somewhat that is missing in your work. You don't think on it. When you will not think, you will just complete the exercise or assignment. That is not required for our work. Our work need lot of passion, lot of you know love for your work, so that you can explore it, you can discover it. Because these are kind of a question need lot of brainstorming, a lot of mind mapping towards your exercise. So I seen Radhika, she has done it step by step. So try as much as you guys can. And I don't have doubt in capability of even Shreya or else Yashaswini, or few of you I know from quite long time. In fact, I can't see right now one of the students. He is not here. Maybe
Joel.
not Joel. I see one girl is doing diploma right now, no? Some certificate program. She's not here,
Kavya.
I think. Kavya, where is Kavya?
She left.
She left, or
Kavya,
maybe
she
the
left.
network. Maybe she left, or maybe the network is whatsoever it is. So I don't want this, because I know how what of capacity, or what level of the
Anashni
work
also.
she can really make a lot of difference. So I don't want very dead classes, but after all, it's okay. You guys are doing good, but you also have equally right, because this is two way. I never believe it's one sided. The teacher where is keep saying their work and you have to do it. Tell me your problems are, and and tell me where the team is lacking, which way you want to go. Because I try the standardize, and that's the best way. Till now I'm getting a feedback. So pan India, we are teaching in a best way across. Or in fact, so many coaching is not able to meet or beat. Vito is the second, they have not yet even properly able to start also their classes. We are teaching for all classes, including NATA. In fact, the small exams like Pearl, MIT, SRISTI, JEE, UC, NATA, then design, all classes, all courses, all exams in whatever students are preparing. Or this is if happening in these days when you are at home and still you can't. So we really need to rethink on it. Okay, so I was noticing few batch, and this batch is very different. Okay, anyway, good luck everyone. And I hope,
Ma'am,
Shreya, you are in good mood. Hmm? All good?
Good,
ma'am,
ma'am. Yes, Sangini.
ma'am, as yesterday you mentioned that you'll be talking about that courses, like you'll be, demonstrating about all those stuff. So when will that session be conducted?
It will be at 6 p.m. I'll send you the link. You join that session, okay?
Ma'am, 6 p.m. today?
Yeah, 6 p.m. today I'll